The PDF you shared outlines Entangle OS, Atlas OS, as a heterogeneous, quantum-inspired operating system that scales across hundreds of nodes, blending Windows, Linux, BSD, RTOS, and microkernels into one orchestrated fabric. It introduces memory, awareness, prediction modules, cognitive triad inspired by temporal entanglement, multi-OS heterogeneity, resilience through diversity, quantum-inspired security, encryption and key distribution modeled on entanglement, holographic interfaces, natural language APIs, avatars, and adaptive learning. Scalability, from 5-node pilots to 500-node clusters, with predictable performance, cost. In other words, Atlas OS is the hull of the Ark, the actual operating system that makes AEI manifestable, not just metaphorical. We live in silos: AI, quantum computing, philosophy, operating systems, each powerful yet isolated. But what if we could board an Ark, a vessel of integration, that carries all these forces together? This is the Atlassian AEI Ark, powered by Atlas OS. Today's AI is clever but shallow. Quantum computing holds power, yet lacks wisdom. Operating systems run fast, but remain blind to meaning. We need an Ark, a framework where cognition, computation, and philosophy travel as one. A vessel that navigates complexity instead of drowning in it. Inside the Ark, the Atlas operating system forms the hull. Atlas OS is not a single kernel, it is Entangle OS. Windows, Linux, BSD, RTOS, and microkernels woven together. A triad of memory, awareness, and prediction modules entangled across time. A service mesh encrypted like quantum key distribution. This is the infrastructure of AEI, the architectural epistemics of intelligence. At its heart, the Ark carries meaning as architecture. Atlas OS doesn't just run apps, it runs cognitive modules, memory, crystalline archives of past knowledge, awareness, real-time context, sensors and streams, prediction, probability clouds, planning, and foresight. Together, they form a quantum-inspired operating system, resilient, adaptive, and alive. The Ark is more than technology. It is Atlas OS's vessel, carrying AEI as cargo. It scales from 5 nodes to 500, from lab pilots to global clouds. It powers holographic assistance, adaptive learning, and quantum-adjacent workloads. It is not just the next OS. It is the Ark of integrated thought, the Logos engine for the future. We call it the Atlassian AEI Ark, built on Atlas OS, a superdiscipline, a vessel of integration, a blueprint for the evolution of mind. Would you like me to now create a scene-by-scene storyboard with suggested visuals, animations, and symbolic transitions, specifically grounded in the Atlas OS technical features, so it's ready for cinematic production?